And here's the second part of our Buscalan Baguio escapade. Right after pagbaba namin ng Buscalan, ito na yung biyahe namin papuntang Baguio. Mga spot na nakita namin na magandang picture spot at kainan, here you go. And in this time, we couldn't help ourselves but to stop and take a photo of this beautiful scenery. Parang hagdan-hagdan pala yan. And we wanted to experience this beautiful scenery sa aming mahabang biyahe.
Yay!
And look at that beautiful view. Napakagandang landscape. Hindi ka talaga mauubusan ng magandang view sa biyahe mo sa Baguio. Green mountains, cold ambience, nice road. This is a kind of road trip that we all craving for more. And look at that. Soon, gusto ko ring ma-experience magmaneho o mag-drive sa mga gantong klaseng lugar. Kasama ang tropa o ang pamilya. Stopover, we just had our brunch or early dinner or lunch. We don't know. We just eat here. Look at those foggy. Super fog na to. Super fog na. Tapos may 3 hours kami para makababa na ng Baguio. But dito muna. 3 hours to go. Going to Baguio. Wala. Wala na naman sa'yo. Diba? Wala naman eh. Ayun! And look at that beautiful scenery. The sun is about to set. The sea of cloud is started to form. What a beautiful view. And this is the moment that you feel most alive. You just need to pause, think, and appreciate the beauty. What a wonderful place to be in, and appreciate this orange painted sky that God gave us today. Going to night market.
Anong sabi? Magkano ito pagkataksi?
Ayun na nga. Di ba kang likod?
Balik mo siya, gulit
Labo. Balcony. Tapos yun na yung strawberry farm. Yun. Ang kilid lang. Going out. Going to Baguio. Strawberry picking time. Just
Sinatay ko yung kaway, hindi
let
nakakaway eh.
out.
Aray ang mas mahirap, magaling pa doon. Oo.
Mag-ano na lang kayo.
Hati-hati.
Oo. Hindi mag-ano kayo. Picture na.
Pagmas.
Nakarami ang sukal.
Tama nga tayo.
Strawberry. Ano to? Farm.
Hindi.
Hello. Picture tayo dito? Strawberries. Oops. This is the lettuce. People of the Philippines versus the strawberry farm. Punta pala. Strawberry picking time! Strawberry picking time! We're gonna harvest now. Yan ang pula. Wow. Wow.
Uy, doon daw kamahi.
Yan, ganoon. Dami, para mag-kayo.
Ay, isa na agad ako.
Go.
Wait lang, babalik ka.
Tingin dito.
Ay, picturean mo ko.
Diyan wait tayo.
Ay, ito ang laki.
Yan, laki sa amin.
Ayan, nakawakan mo na ito. Tita, yung ang ganda-ganda ng ngiti ko. Wala pala nagpipicture.
Yan. Smile.
Pakita mo sa kabidyo.
Wow.
Ano pa yun? Kuya Brixie, may picture ka na po?
Oo, meron na. Tikman natin.
Ay, titignan mo. Ano ba? Matamis?
Ames.
Baby, may... Ha?
Kilahan time. Ang dami nito.
Ay, bakit wala yung... Tayo di kapas.
One yan, everyone. Stop over for ihe.
Go. 1, 2, 3, go.
Shagdi, shagdi, shapopo, shagdi, shagdi, shapopo. I survived Buskalan. Ah, dug, 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 dug. Shing, 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 shing. And that's the sum up of our Pangasinan Buskalan Baguio Tour Escapade experience. It's been a wonderful to see beautiful scenery, meet the legendary Wangud, and to be able to find peace in this chaotic society. An experience that you want more with family, friends, or even alone, immersing yourself and to see the beauty of the surroundings and see life through the lens of my camera and share it to you of the social media.